Want to hide your surroundings or make your Zoom meetings look more professional? Zoom lets you change your background in just a few clicks using built-in virtual backgrounds or your own custom images. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change your Zoom background in 2026. So let's jump right in. First, launch the Zoom Workplace app and sign in to your account if necessary. Then click your profile picture in the upper right corner and select Settings. You can also change your background while you're already in a meeting. Inside the Settings window, click Backgrounds and Effects from the menu on the left. You'll immediately see your camera preview along with the available virtual backgrounds. If this feature isn't available, make sure Zoom is updated and your device meets the system requirements. Simply click any of the available background thumbnails to apply it instantly. Your preview updates automatically so you can see exactly how it looks. Take a few seconds to try different options until you find one you like. If you'd rather use your own image, click the Add button, then select Add Image. Browse to the picture you want and upload it. High-quality images with good lighting usually produce the most natural-looking results. For the best results, sit in a well-lit area and keep your face clearly visible to the camera. If your computer supports it, using a plain-colored wall or a green screen can improve background quality even more. Even simple lighting adjustments can make the virtual background look much cleaner. Finally, go to New Meeting or join a test meeting or start your own meeting to confirm that your virtual background appears correctly. If needed, return to the settings and switch backgrounds at any time, so you're ready to join your next Zoom meeting with a background that fits your style. And that's how to change your Zoom background. Whether you choose one of Zoom's built-in options or upload your own image, customizing your background only takes a minute. A clean background and good lighting can make your meetings look much more polished. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.